Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great inshallah. If you are new, please subscribe to my channel for easy and simple recipes. Today we are making chicken noodles. Let's start the recipe. Take a clean bowl, add 500 grams of boneless chicken to it. Add tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder and half teaspoon of turmeric powder, and always add salt according to your taste preferences. Adding 1 tablespoon of chicken masala. Here I am using Eastern chicken masala to marinate the chicken. After adding the chicken masala, just add 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. You can use any red chili sauce brand and give it a little mix. Add tablespoon of garam masala powder, add soya sauce 1 tablespoon and add lemon water or white vinegar 1 tablespoon and mix everything well before adding the remaining ingredients. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. Add 1.5 tablespoon of corn flour and mix everything. Mix well and keep aside for 10 minutes. In a frying pan, add 50 ml of olive oil. You can also use vegetable oil. Add 1 tablespoon of coriander leaves and make sure the flame is on medium to low heat. Add marinated chicken to the pan and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Meanwhile chicken is cooking, let's take 1.5 liter of water, and when the water is boiling, add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. If you want, you can also add salt. Add noodles in boiling water. Here I am using Maggie. You can use any brand which is available in the market, and cook it only for 2 minutes on high flame and drain the excess water. Let's check the chicken. It is almost soft and tender. Now turn the chicken and let it cook for more 2 to 3 minutes on low flame. Take a kadai or wok, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to it. When the oil is heating up, add your favorite vegetables. Here I am using the juliennes of carrot and capsicum. You can use any of your favorite vegetables. To enhance the flavor, here I am adding half tablespoon of oregano. You can also use mint leaves. Add chicken to the wok and stir fry for 1 minute. Now add noodles and mix everything. add half teaspoon of black pepper powder. If you want it more spicy, add red chili sauce. Lastly, add some coriander leaves and spring onions and it's done. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to my channel for more amazing recipes. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel